we're at a sister of ours here on YouTube. We're at her house, and I'm gonna introduce her to you in a minute. Yes, guys, and we're having a good time here. Junior is over there.
Junior wants to sleep. Tired.
So Junior and I are wearing the same color. And Jessica, come here 1 minute. Put this nut down and come here 1 minute. And Jessica and Jamaya, we're all wearing the same color. We're wearing white top and jeans pants. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, so Jessica is wearing. You can stand on my foot. You're not that big. So she's my twin. My little twin.
The younger version.
Younger version of me. So I know what I looked like when I was younger.
The shade kind of changed.
Huh?
The shade, the skin color kind of changed.
Yeah.
That's version 2.
Version 2. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday, and I'm excited, guys. You can hear it in my voice. I'm a bit excited because over the weekend we will be going to St. Mary. So we're going down the north coast. Yes, guys, so we're going down St. Mary, and we will be spending the weekend with my mother-in-law. And also we'll be linking up with a subscriber, a sister of ours on the channel. Yes, guys, I'm not gonna tell you her name as yet. I'm gonna wait until that time comes and I do the video, and you'll get to see who she is. But she's one of us. Yes, guys, she's one of us, and I'm so excited to meet her. Yep. So, guys, I'm just showing you the work that we have to tackle in the house today. Not a lot, just some minor fix up and all of that. Yep. So these are the kids' room, and I also have hair to do and stuff. My hair to cream, or you guys call it perm. Jessica hair to perm. Mine to perm. I can't even show you mine right now, guys, because it's all over the place. This guy is doing breakfast for she and our brothers and sister. Yes, guys, Junior is going to work. I'm also washing in the washroom. Let me show you. Yep, I'm washing, guys. The machine is on. The machine is dusty. I'm gonna have to clean it off. Yeah, so this is the cream that we use. This is the olive oil hair relaxer. Yes, this is one that Jessica and I use. Yep. The bathroom is not really messy, guys. Just some minor cleanup to be done in here. Yeah, just some minor cleanup, so it's not a lot. Yep. And the dining area. Yeah, kids, Jonah was having breakfast. And Maya. And now, guys, I'm going to show you what I did with the living area. So I changed it. I didn't like, let me just show you. And I like it so much better. I didn't like, I liked the table when it was over there. The last video I did, I really liked the table there. But I think I missed the center table. It wasn't all that, And this is it, guys. You see, when you are... Jordan, turn on your TV because it's going to distract me. Okay, guys, so as I was saying, this is what happened. So when you are rearranging or decorating your house, sometimes you do a particular arrangement and then you don't really like it. You may like it for the first day or so, and to you it look nice, but after living in it for probably 2 or so days, you realize, oh, I don't like that much. Something is missing. So that's how I was feeling with the one that I did the other day. Something was missing. So I did it like this. And the fun thing about it, I'm laughing because my husband said when I finished doing it, he was like, "You're not going to like it." And I'm like, I like it. I like the table like this. I like the table like that. I really love the table where it was. And that's why I was, working with it for a while. But I didn't really like it. Yeah. So I did it over and I love this. It was done like this before. Yeah. So I just, went back to this and I like it better. So I'm just gonna do a quick tidying up in here. Yeah, and then I'll show you. Let me show you what we did in the girls' room, which is now the playroom. So this is what we did in here. In here. This is what we did in here, guys. So they used Justin was behind the door. I didn't even know. They used their computer in here and they play in here. Yes, so yeah. So let us do some cleaning now, guys, and like I said, I'm washing, and we're going. We're not gonna be. Oh, just me. I have on brief. We're not going to be here over the weekend. What's wrong, Jordan? I told him not to give it because you were. You can get one later. Because I told your face. Go and wash your face. Your face needs washing. I told him not to give it because you didn't eat off the cornflakes.
You didn't eat off your food.
You never eat off your food. Maya, I can give Jordan some of yours because you didn't eat crackers and tea.
That's exactly what I told him, but he doesn't want to eat.
Jordan, come get some of Maya one. What was I saying again, guys? I don't even remember. Wash your face and go get some of Maya one. Go get a fork and get some of Maya one. I started crying. I cry for everything too much. Yes, guys. So, I don't remember what I was saying. So, yeah, I'm washing also. And I remember now. I'm going to also clean the car. Because the car is... We wanted to take it to car wash yesterday when I was coming from down my mommy's house. But the car wash was locked. Because it's Labor Day. So it's holiday for us in Jamaica. So, car wash was locked. So I didn't get to take it. And I want to take it today. But I'm going to be so busy doing everything in the house before we head off to St. Mary. So we're not going to have the chance. Because I have Jessica here. Jessica is a mess right now. Jessica here to do. I have Jamaya here to do. And I have mine to do. I can't show you mine on camera right now, guys. Because I pull it up. And it's all over the place. I don't want to scare you. Jessica looking at me like crazy.
But you could sew mine on camera.
Yeah, man. Yours alright. Even though yours pull up, it still look good. You still look cute. You don't want to see mine. Anyways, guys. So stay tuned for today's video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, so today we are going to St. Mary. And we are going to Junior's mommy for the weekend. Or for the rest of the weekend. For the Labour's Day weekend. And I'm so excited today, guys, because we will be meeting one of our sister here on YouTube. Yep, I'm not gonna tell you her name as yet. I'm gonna surprise you, one of us guys. So we're doing a link up today. You're coming with us. We're gonna borrow some of the bridge. Yes, Jessica? Stop getting what? Oh, Maya? She's getting burned in the sun? Probably she wants to get burned in the sun.
You just asleep. Are you
Should I see then? Assist her then. The jerk place, guys. She's ready to jerk.
So hard.
No, guys. Look at this road and tell me if this is serious. No, these are what people paying their tax for, and you're not getting the road. Look at that. That's just horrible. Huh?
A side street, this one.
And you have to just find a little corner and just put the car. Guys, so now we're going into Brownstown. Brownstown, I will be waiting for you. Brownstown. You know, stop, not sure. The Truckee town. This place always Truckee.
No fights over here.
Bangarang around there.
Really? What kind of bangarang?
There's a police car and crowd pack up there.
So some,
Did that,
something went down on there. You about wrong time or wrong place. Wrong place or wrong time. Guys, so we are hungry, so we stop for a quick lunch break. Yep. So we're having chicken and bread. Junior fried chicken. I thought Junior would be hot, not you?
That we're going to be like ghost chicken.
guys, see the beach around. We're good now. We can't stop there, so. We can't turn back now.
Cool.
And Manchester so hot, not you?
It's right there.
Do not mess up yourself. John, take it off something. Take it off. Okay. Dog, come already.
Dog doggy.
Come help out you guys.
The sign says no dumping, right? No dumping. The area is under 24-hour surveillance camera, whatever. And look how much dump is there.
24-hour surveillance.
I don't see the point of the sign. It didn't work. I think they didn't weed it properly.
Hey guys, so we finally reached. Remember I told you I had a surprise for you guys. So we're at a sister of ours here on YouTube. We're at her house, and I'm gonna introduce her to you in a minute. Yes, guys, and we're having a good time here. Junior is over there.
Junior wants to sleep. Tired.
So Junior and I are wearing the same color. And Jessica, come here 1 minute. Put this nut down and come here 1 minute. And Jessica and Jamaya, we're all wearing the same color. We're wearing white top and jeans pants. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, so Jessica is wearing. You can stand on my foot. You're not that big. So she's my twin. My little twin.
The younger version.
Younger version of me. So I know what I looked like when I was younger.
The shade kind of changed.
Huh?
The shade, the skin color kind of changed.
Yeah.
That's version 2.
Version 2.
You have my makeup.
Look at yourself.
Well, I don't have one in the makeup. Where is
Trying to find it. Anywhere you feel like you're better. Because sometimes
I think this side is better. Let me stay on this side. I'll just stay like this.
That's what I do sometimes.
I stay like this.
You guys are crazy.
Let me stay. Don't show this part.
Okay. So guys, here is my sister. As you can see,
We lost power.
We lost
Power. Somebody found me.
So it goes and comes. It's back. Hi.
Yes, guys. So here is one of my subscribers. Her name is Miss Brady. I'm always saying Miss Brandy.
Brandy. I think you're thinking about the liquor. The brandy liquor.
And I don't even drink.
That's what they say when they do. That's what they say. I'm not
Guys.
even drink. Give me a whole bottle.
Guys, she's so much fun. She's a personality just like me. She has a personality just like mine, guys.
Hi,
So,
YouTuber. I'm
yeah.
shy. I don't have a lot to say.
So we're here hanging out, guys, and enjoying ourselves and stuff. And it's a good link up.
Yeah. Where do I look at? There or
I don't even know.
you don't know? Let me see. I think it's there.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's there.
Because sometimes I'm looking up. Look at my eyes looking up.
I thought you were cross-eyed at one time too.
See something over here. Oh, look over there. Just look over there one time.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
looking, but I can't see my eyes.
That's
I'm
what
looking.
happens. So when you look at it, you're not supposed to see it.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you have to be looking like this, and you're looking up. And if you look at this, you can't see yourself. You don't know what you're doing.
They say don't judge, so I didn't want to judge. I don't know what's going on.
Exactly.
Say hi, Ella.
Say hi.
Say hi.
There's a princess.
Say hi.
She have a pretty smile, guys. Wow.
Thank you. Is it me or the baby?
The baby. You too.
This whole video is going to be of laughter.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So stay tuned because I was doing a video when I was coming down and all of that.
And that, okay.
Yeah. So it's
Okay,
gonna
bye,
be
guys.
fun. So stay tuned, guys. I have to show you this.
Oh, you already started.
I have to show you this, guys. So I get a selfie stick from my sister here. Open it for me and show them. Yes, guys, I have to show you. And the fun thing about it, mine that I bought over the holiday, the
Mine.
top broke when I went by mommy. I went by mommy the other day.
Oh,
Just
is it?
didn't have it in the car and it broke.
Okay.
And I got one more. Oh my God, I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we have been here from day and we're getting ready to go to St. Mary now. We had a wonderful day today, guys.
Listen, you don't want copyright music in anything.
A copyright music, guys?
When motorists playing, YouTube will flag it.
Sis, just Sean said, I don't want copyright music in it because YouTube will flop.
YouTube will flag When she a skill player playing, you need to take her.
Take Sprite? You guys take Sprite?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's the copyright music. You said it once. So stay tuned, guys, as we get ready to go to Buscadell. Oh, you want me to video playing? Junior took over the kids' toys. So we have the keyboard here, and he's playing. And he feels he's a proper, I can't even say the word, professional now.
Guys, the thing is that this makes you look like a professional, but it's actually playing it.
So I made
Getting down.
This is what you've always wanted to do, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Like he's in the jazz area playing that. Stay right here. You jump on the table, on the bed. I'll get another tattoo done and each walk.
Sis, we're vlogging in style. Come vlog in style. Come vlog in style.
Okay.
Oh,
This is nice. Right? Everything.
exactly.
Yeah, look how far out. Look at that. Wow. This is awesome.
No.
You can break this down.
Yeah, not a picnic thing. Go.
This is nice. So now when you're doing your cleaning thingy, you can stand it up. And, or you can just do your...
Alright, I'm sitting down and